Now check this out, folks. I got a good one for you today. Today I'm getting ready to show you guys how to make a pan-seared Cajun butter chicken thigh. Hey, super simple. Let's get it. Okay, so look, you guys can see some of the ingredients right here, right? So we're gonna pan over these, you know what I mean? Of course, I got my hand right here resting on my pepper. I got my Creole Kick, you know what I mean? I got my stock, my seasonings, you know, my herbs, you know, butter, cloves, brown sugar. And then when you come over here and look at the chicken right here, these are my thighs, right? Now, you can see right here, look, this needs to be trimmed. You know what I mean? I don't want to really say it that way. If I wasn't filming, I wouldn't trim it. But this right here, I'm gonna go ahead and trim this, you know, get it nice and pretty, you know, so, you know, for video purposes only. And as always, the full ingredient list will be down in the description box below. Okay, so look, the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get myself a bowl. Let's go ahead and get our little rub together, you know? So I'm gonna go ahead and add my brown sugar, paprika, oregano, my Creole Kick, hit it with a little bit of this fresh black pepper, right? And then we're gonna go ahead and just give it a pinch of salt. That's all we need, folks. Now go ahead and get your whisk. I don't know, some people gonna use a fork, you know what I mean? Well, we go ahead and just get it all mixed up. So now we're gonna go ahead and just give this a little bit of a trim, you know, because we want it to look, you know, nice, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and just take it, let's do it like this. Fold it down. I'm not gonna spend a whole lot of time with it. I just want to get it, anything that's big that I can get off, that's just like bothering me, you know what I mean? Just to pretty it up. But that's good there. I'll look through the rest of these, and I'm not gonna bore you guys as I do it. You know what I mean? I'll do this off camera, and then we'll just come right on back. Okay, so now that I got them trimmed, you know, about as much as I'm going to trim them, I'm gonna go ahead and just open them up, you know, put them, you know, top side down. And notice I'm only using one hand to do it, right? So now I just take this, and now we just go ahead and season. Now I can tell you this, if you guys been following me for a minute, you know I love to have a lot of black pepper, right? So even though I put some in here, I'm gonna go ahead and just do it like this, and then I'm gonna go ahead and crack some right over the top. All right, so look, now I'm finna start heating up my pan. You know what I mean? I'm gonna use my hex clad. You know what I mean? I could have used my cast iron. You guys use whatever you have, you know, in your kitchen, but this right here is gonna be my tool of choice today. So now I'm gonna put a little bit of oil in here. And then look, you know, when it comes to the butter, you know what? This is why I do it the way I do it. You know, you just wanna have two parts, right? The smaller piece goes in right now. Okay, so here we go. This is the top of it. We're gonna start, look, I'm gonna go and put them in the pan this way. To be honest with you, it doesn't make a difference how you do it. You just want to get them in here and get them going, right? Because listen, we're gonna have to take them out anyway. Okay, these are ready. I just put the top back on, you know, just to, you know, give myself just a couple of seconds to, you know, get ready, because we get ready to take these out, right? Look, you always want to make sure the thickest part of your, you know, your chicken is at 165, right? That's what you're looking for. All right, so now we just take it and we're just gonna take it out. It doesn't make a difference if you take some of the drippings, that's cool too. You know what I mean? If you use a cast iron, you might have a little bit of that fine, you know, on the bottom, but I got a process for that too. You know what I mean? But this right here, look at that. You could just see how juicy this is. Look, I'll just show you right now. Hey, cooking with a lid on makes a difference, folks. But you see that right there? Look at that. Ooh-wee. Okay, so look, I done brought my flame back up, you know, underneath. I just wanted to get the, you know, pan because hot so that we can go ahead and melt our butter, right? So, I want to get all my butter. Now, I'll just move this around once it's done. And you can see, look, hex clad, nothing really sticks, right? I saw a little bit, but as I move the butter over on the top of it, it just comes off automatically, you know. And these, I don't know the science behind it, but you're talking about evenly distribute the heat, these do it. Okay, so as my butter is melting, what I'm gonna do is go ahead and get my garlic ready. I'm gonna go ahead and put my cloves, you know, into my press. Because look, we wanna add our minced garlic to it right now. Right? Now, let me get a little gratification, check it out. Now we just want to go ahead and whisk this around, you know, for about 30 seconds. I'm gonna adjust my heat. Now we'll just go ahead and start adding this. Right? You can smell it, folks. The aromatic that comes off of this is just 100% fire. Okay, so you can see it's reducing itself down. This right here is what I like to see right here. I don't want it to be too thick. And for those of you guys that really want to make it like super thick, you guys can always do it like a cornstarch, you know, starch slurry. I would just use a teaspoon, you know. So look, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and just add my chicken back to it, right? Ooh, this is it right here. And there you have it. Now you can always, like, you want to put it on the top, you want to just tilt it back like this. Let me just show you. Just go ahead and get a little bit of this dripping, and then we just pour it over the top like this, you know, just to coat it. There's no need, if you cooked your chicken right, there's no need for you to, you know, have to like cook this any further, you know what I mean? Because everything was nice, it was cooked through, right at 165. You know, so we'll just do it like this. Now you can serve this with some white rice, you know what I mean? If you notice, look, it was another one. I just ate that one by itself. If you want to talk about having something juicy, this is it right here. So, you guys tell me what you think. Look at that right there. Again, look, you guys can take a look at it. You can see all of the flavor that's on the top of this right here. Look, I'm gonna tell you it's something nice and soft. Look at that, it just go in there. I really don't need no knife to, you know, cut it, you know what I mean? But you can see it's nice, cooked through, ready to go. Only thing missing is like some rice, but I got something for you. You guys wanna stay tuned, because listen, I'm gonna put something out, and I want you guys to remember this chicken. It's coming real soon. That right there is fire, folks. Hey, look down right here. Hey, I forgot about it, and actually I put it in the sink, getting ready to wash it. Hey, listen, when I tell you it's good, it's good. Hey, listen, I got to start focusing more on telling you guys, you know, about putting that top on there, because listen, when it steams, it keeps your chicken so moist. And the fact that we using chicken thighs, they already, like, you know, on the juicy side anyway. And that sauce though, hey, you guys let me know, because when you hit that, you're gonna be thinking like, man, I need to quadruple that. You could put this on, just anything you put gravy on, you could put that on there. Hey, with that being said, listen, I want to say thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, smash that subscribe button, and tell everybody out there, check this out. It's a channel out here that's simplifying these recipes and taking the mystery out of cooking. And with that being said, I'm finna move this off to the side. I'm finna come up with this contraption, you know, this little secret little meal. I'm gonna make a video on that later, and I'll see y'all then. I'm out. Peace.